Hello and welcome to the machine learning tutorial series. In this video, we will be going over decision trees. Now, what are decision trees? A decision tree is a tree in which each branch node represents a choice between a number of alternatives, and each leaf node represents a decision. It is a type of supervised learning algorithm. Decision tree algorithms are also termed as cart algorithm and are used for classification and regression. Now let's have a look at decision tree components. The first one being root node. It refers to the start of the decision tree with maximum split or information gain. Node. Node is a condition with multiple outcomes in the tree. Leaf. This is the final decision or endpoint of a node from the condition, that is the question. This is a schematic diagram of a decision node. The next topic we will be discussing is multivariate trees. In a multivariate decision tree, each decision node divides the input space into two with an arbitrary hyperplane leading to oblique splits. We see that the multivariate trees, when preceded by feature selection, are more accurate and are smaller but require longer training time. Now let's see what is pruning. Pruning is a data compression technique in machine learning and search algorithms that reduces the size of decision trees by removing sections of the tree that are non-critical and redundant to classify instances. We can see how the size of the tree is reduced significantly after pruning. Information gain. Every node yields maximum data in each split, which could be achieved by IG or information gain. It can be calculated by using impurity measures of each split, that is Gini index, entropy, classification error, impurity metrics. Principle of splitting nodes. Root node is split to get maximum info gain. Increase in nodes in the tree causes overfitting. Splitting continues until each of the leaf is pure or one of the possible outcome. Pruning can also be done, which means removal of branches which use features of low importance. If uniform distribution, entropy is 1. This is a diagram showing comparison of all impurity metrics. Gini index is intermediate values of impurity lying between classification error and entropy. Rule extraction. Here we will learn how to build a rule-based classifier by extracting if-then rules from a decision tree. To extract a rule from a decision tree, one rule is created for each path from the root to the leaf node. To form a rule antecedent, each splitting criteria is logically ANDed. The leaf node holds the class prediction, forming the rule consequent. Now, what are the pros and cons of it? So the pros are that it is simple to understand, interpret, and visualize. It is effective to use in numerical and categorical data outcomes. Requires little effort from users for data preparation. Non-linear relationships between parameters do not affect tree performance, and it is able to handle irrelevant attributes. The cons are: may make a complex tree with maximum depth, unstable as small variation in input data may result in completely different tree to get generated. As it is a greedy algorithm, it may not find globally the best tree for a dataset. Applications that use it are business management, customer relationship management, fraudulent statement detection, engineering, energy consumption, fault diagnosis, healthcare management, and many more. This was all for this video. Thank you.